sharpen it. Going to sharpen it, not exactly sharpen it, but just remove the outer skin. Yeah, something of that sort. I hope people can see me. Yeah, so this one, and this one, and this. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel today. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be comparing two ways to clean your teeth. So there's one in which it's an artificial method, and there's another one, let's say modern method. So today for my video I carried this and this, and I'm going to be making an artificial what is it called? My cameraman, help me. I'm going to be making an artificial toothbrush to clean my teeth. So I have a knife here. So I'm going to look for a tree that is, how can I put it, like looks medicinal, not poisonous, but looks medicinal. And then I'm going to sharpen it, and then afterwards I'm going to try both of them and see if it works or not. So cameraman,
Yes.
I want to look for a tree. I want to look for a tree here that I'm looking for a tree that can brush my teeth. Something a little bit strong. Something a little bit strong. Cameraman, have you noticed that these fruits are almost found everywhere that we go? Yeah, like they are along riverbanks. So let me see. This one stands too, obviously, because they have milk and they are not
Yet.
like they are not tree-like.
They are not in their mature state.
Yes. Looking for something. This is something like this, but this one ain't good. The problem with this area, or let's say many banks of rivers, is that most of the trees are bamboo-like. Yeah, they are bamboo-like. Bamboo like that, it's very difficult to find like trees that you can use, maybe use it as a spear or something. But let us go on and let us look for something. Find that somebody is claiming. Which one? What are those?
Okay, they are these small creatures.
Oh, they're creatures.
Yeah.
These ones.
Yeah. But they could be plant-like.
Yeah, they are plants. They are not creatures. They are plants. So I think I found one. I think I found one. Come on. I think I found one.
Be careful.
Oh. So guys, I found one. Cameraman, you can go here. I found one. So I'm going to sharpen it. I'm going to sharpen it. Not exactly sharpen it, but just remove the
outer skin.
The outer skin. Yeah, something of that sort. I hope people can see me. Yeah, so this one and this one and this. So these two. So yeah, so there's, you can see I have this one and I have this. So cameraman, do you test them?
Yes.
Yeah. So we are going to I'm going to just put a little bit of this. And I'm going to, cameraman, I want you to show them as this way.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
I want to brush my cameraman.
Yes.
How are you finding my teeth brushing skills?
Neat.
So show them.